I have good news. My public records mini course is now open to the public. It has been, invitation only for years, really. But I've just been adding good things to it over the years and fleshing it out to more and more. And so now I've decided to open it up to the public. If you're interested in that, check out the link below. One of the things you'll find in there is the part two of the two-part series on background checks and doing background checks with just open source information and public records. So no restricted databases, nobody telling you no, you don't qualify for access to this private database or that private database. Just using public records to solve the case, get the information you need. It's very interesting. It's kind of like having two lives. It's the life you had before you had access and understood how to use public records and the life afterwards. It's that much of a difference as an investigator. So you're not relying on those same proprietary databases all investigators have, they're paying to get access to. What you're using is really just some good old-fashioned investigative techniques to get you into things and get you access to records that honestly even some of the big databases don't have. When you go and pull a file and look through it, there's a lot more information there that just doesn't make it into computer systems. So Public Records Mini Course now available. If you're interested, check the link below.